How to connect Stripe to Odoo accounting. So you're gonna have to enable Stripe as a payment provider here. So go ahead to your accounting and then you should be able to find configuration as one of the last options up here. Then find payment providers, actually payment providers, and then you can search for, let's say, Stripe. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Stripe, it's right here. And then you just press on install. So of course, you're gonna have to wait for it to finish. If that's not the case, then you can go ahead and activate since it is gonna be disabled for now. So press and activate, and at this point, you're gonna have to just finish or complete the onboarding stage, I suppose. So go ahead and press on enabled, but actually connect Stripe first. Once you press on get started, you can go ahead and complete the onboarding page, and at the end you just go ahead and click and agree and submit. So make sure you're putting in actual and real information so you don't have to do any extra problems later on. And once you're done with the onboarding stage, you'll be able to see that your Stripe is now enabled and published. For testing, you can use the test mode that you saw early on, but that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.